Hey guys, Zexus here, and today in this video we are going to install an inventory script for our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. Before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. I will provide the GitHub link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download zip. Now we have to extract our file. After that, open the folder, again open it, and we have to extract this from here. I'll be extracting this and open this and copy this inventory folder, and we have to paste it into our resource folder. We just need to go to files, resources, QB. Before pasting it, you have to delete the old inventory folder from here. I'll be deleting it from here and pasting our new folder just like this. After that, open it and run the SQL file. Click on open, and we simply need to click on this run file just like this. Our inventory has been installed in our FiveM server. Now let's start the server. Okay, now we are in our server. Let's open the inventory. This is the first look of our inventory. This inventory is fully customizable. You can customize your inventory from the config file. You can see a setting button. This is for the blurriness, and see, there is no blur now. I'll be turning the blur on, and see, now the blur is on. You can change the logo as well, and you can change the color of the inventory through the CSS file. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Goodbye.